Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send crypto to Moonpay so that you can cash it out or exchange it very easily in your Moonpay account. So first of all, you need to come here in your Moonpay application. You need to log in into it if you haven't already. Now, in order to get the crypto in your Moonpay account, you need to first of all generate a unique wallet address or the QR code which you are going to basically use in order to deposit or get the crypto in your Moonpay account. So here on the home page you will see this wallets section. So you can click over here, then you can copy the address of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. So here let's say you want to send Ethereum to your Moonpay account. So you need to copy the Ethereum address that will be available over here. After that, you need to launch that particular account of yours in which you have the cryptocurrency available and which you want to basically use to send the crypto to your Moonpay account. So for this video, I chose Binance account. Now, if you don't have Binance account yet, you can just take a look at the links that are given in the description to earn extra perks and sign up bonuses. So once you are here, simply tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. After that, go to spot and select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to send, which in my case is Ethereum. So here, when you tap on the option of send, simply select the option of on-chain withdraw. Over here, you need to paste the address which you have copied from Moonpay. After that, in the network, you can select any of the networks, but since I have selected Ethereum, I can only select the Ethereum based network. Then in the amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to send. After that, simply click on the option of withdraw here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review your details and confirm your transaction. Now, once your transaction is completed from your wallet or from your exchanges, and you just have to wait for some time until you get that in your Moonpay account. So this way you will be able to send your crypto from any other wallets or any other exchanges to your Moonpay account. Now, once you have that cryptocurrency available, it will show here on the home page, and now you can use it to purchase further cryptocurrencies. You can use it to sell it and get the money in your bank account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.